Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on polar tracking. Press F10 or click the status bar icon so you can lock directions. Set the base angle and the increment. Common choices are 0 degrees and 45 degrees because that controls snapping directions. Make sure polar snap and your grid or object snap settings match your drafting needs and pick a sensible snap distance. Once enabled, you'll feel cursor alignment guide your line and polyline creation, so begin a simple line to verify behavior. Now draw with polar tracking active. Start the line or polyline command and move the cursor. The tracking will project alignment paths at defined angles, guiding your clicks. If you need a free angle temporarily, hold Shift to suspend polar locking, then release to resume. This gives flexibility mid-command. To be precise, press Tab during the command to type an exact angle or distance and confirm. This combination of visual guides and typed input keeps accuracy high while you construct geometry steps. To finish, complete your polylines and use the Properties palette to tweak any final angles or lengths for exact conformity. If tracking feels wrong, check the base angle and increment values first. An incorrect increment is the usual culprit. And verify you didn't accidentally enable dynamic input angle overrides. If problems persist, restart Autocad or toggle the status bar icons off and on to reset the trackers. This often clears transient glitches without losing your drawing progress.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.